Welcome everyone. This is day 25 of our 60-day senior fitness series. If you're new here, this program is made specially for seniors to build strength, balance and confidence right from home. So grab your chair, sit comfortably and let's begin our leg exercises for today. Exercise 1, sit to stand chair squats. Let us begin our first exercise for today, sit to stand or chair squats, which is one of the best movements for strengthening your legs, improving your balance, and building confidence while moving around. Please make sure you have your sturdy chair placed on a flat surface. Sit comfortably with your feet shoulder width apart, your knees bent at 90 degrees, and your back straight. Cross your arms gently in front of your chest. Now, as I guide you, we will slowly stand up and sit down together 50 times. Make sure you breathe naturally and move at a steady pace. Are you ready? Let us begin our counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Take a deep breath here. How are you feeling so far? Keep your chest up, your back tall, and your breathing steady. Let us continue. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Excellent job. We are almost there. Feel your legs getting stronger with every single move. Stay focused and keep going. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Exercise 2, seated leg extensions. Now we are moving on to our second exercise called seated leg extensions. This simple yet powerful exercise strengthens your thigh muscles, improves your knee mobility, and supports better movement in your daily life. You will use the same sturdy chair that you used before. Sit tall with your back straight and both hands holding the sides of the chair for support. Keep your feet flat on the floor. Slowly lift your right leg forward until it becomes straight, then bring it back down. Now lift your left leg in the same way and lower it back down. We will do 25 repetitions for each leg, making a total of 50. Let us begin and count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That is your right leg done halfway. How are you feeling so far? You are doing an excellent job. Keep your back tall, your shoulders relaxed, and breathe naturally. Let us now switch to the left leg and continue. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wonderful. You have just completed 50 total seated leg extensions. Exercise 3, seated marching, knee lifts. Now let us begin our third exercise called seated marching or knee lifts. This is an excellent movement for improving blood circulation, strengthening your hip muscles, and keeping your lower body active and flexible. Sit comfortably on the edge of your chair, keep your back straight, your chest lifted, and your hands resting lightly on the sides of the chair for support. Now we will start lifting one knee at a time, just like marching in place. Lift your right knee up, then your left knee, and keep alternating. Remember to breathe normally and move at a comfortable pace. Let us begin our counting together, one by one, all the way to 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We are halfway there. If this is your 25th day, how does your body feel today? Are you feeling stronger and more energetic than before? Keep your back straight, tighten your core, and stay focused. You are doing a wonderful job. Now let us continue. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. We are almost done. Only 10 more. Stay with me and keep moving those knees high. You are doing amazing and building real strength every single day. Let us finish strong together. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Fantastic work. You have completed all 50 repetitions of your seated marching exercise. This gentle yet powerful movement helps increase blood flow through your legs, keeps your joints flexible, and boosts your endurance. Over time, this will make your walking and standing much easier and more stable. Excellent work. You've completed day 25 of our senior leg workout series. How are you feeling today? Let me know in the comments if you finished all 50 reps. And don't forget, share this video with 5 to 7 of your senior friends so they can stay strong and healthy with you. See you tomorrow for day 26. Keep moving and stay young at heart.